Alright, so today is the day to open up this box here that I ordered up. Now, what this is for, it's for Old Blue. Oh, check that out. The shifter. Alright. That looks nice. Even got the on and off overdrive in the proper spot. So that's good. Alright, let's get in the truck and size it up and see if it's actually the right angle. Because that was a big thing I'm worried about. This might actually be for a Crown Victoria or something like that. Mercury Marauder, the way they got this angle. But we'll see if the Chinaman got it right or not. Alright, here we go. So the overdrive is supposed to be facing towards you, of course. Yeah, that looks about right. Looks like he got the angle just right. So that's good. I was really worried about that. But the Chinaman pulled through and got it right. Question is, do you get the holes right here? We'll also figure it out when I tear it apart. But that'll be on the next episode. So if you guys like this channel and like this content, please give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.